Hey there, if this is your first time visiting JB Auto Care, welcome. My name is Bill Broussard and I'm the proud owner. We're excited to have you and we cannot wait to take care of you and your vehicle.
As soon as you pull up to our shop, you'll be greeted by one of our amazing team members, because when you arrive, you're family. We believe in making car care easy and stress-free, and our team is here to answer your questions, walk you through the process, and make sure you feel confident about your visit. We're not just another repair shop. We're a team of expert technicians who love what we do. Whether it's routine maintenance or a tricky repair, we got the skills, tools, and experience to get you back on the road safely. And here's the best part, we're a yes company, meaning we'll always go the extra mile to find a solution that works for you.
We're proud to be a family-owned and operated business, and that means we treat our customers like family too. Whether it's your first visit or your 10th visit, we're here to take care of you with world-class service at JB Auto.